read the learning objective together. I can recognize angles as geometric shapes that are formed wherever two rays share a common endpoint. Okay? Now, if we look over here on page 94, it gives us the 4 types of angles: acute, right, obtuse, and straight. Now, I think last week Mason told us that he can remember acute because cute things are small. We always think that small things are really cute. Like, you could hear someone say, "Oh, it's a cute little kitten," right? Or, "Oh, look at the cute little baby." No one, so cute things are small. Acute angles are small. They're less than 90 degrees, but they're more than 0 degrees. If you are not turned around in your seat with your legs under your desk and scooted up to your seat, maybe you need to go ahead and put your finger right here, then please get to what I'm doing, please. Okay? And then a right angle measures exactly 90 degrees. We talked about using the piece of paper, sticking it in the corner, and it should line up exactly. It makes a square, okay? Obtuse angles are usually pretty big. They're always big. They're bigger than 90, and sometimes I like to think like obnoxious. If something is obnoxious, we think of it as kind of oversized and too much, okay? So an obtuse angle is kind of too much, okay? An obnoxious person is maybe a little too much. An obnoxious outfit, a little too much, right? So obtuse is big, okay? And then a straight angle is just 2 rays that share a common endpoint to make a straight line, which measures 180 degrees. Now, I have a quick cheer. I'm not accepting questions at this time while the video is going, because sometimes our questions are a little too much. Right. Okay. So, we are going to do a little cheer. I'm trusting that we can be a little more responsible. If you'll stand up, I'll turn the video. But everyone show me your nice, flat cheer arm. Out to the side. We know that cheerleaders have nice, stiff arms, not floppy arms. This is your vertex. And then this is your bottom ray, and then your head is like a vertex, okay? So first we make an acute angle, which is just a small angle. Get that arm up all the way, Alex. There you go. It's acute, right, straight up and down. I like it, Penelope, looking good. Obtuse, too far, Sam, straight. Okay, and then we'll clap, 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 and then I like to go the other way because the angles can be multiple ways. Acute, right, obtuse, straight. Got it? Clap, clap, clap. Please stop jumping. Okay, so we're going to go together with me. Acute, right, obtuse, straight. Okay, straight arms. Come on. I need good little cheerleaders. Straight arms. Acute. Right. Obtuse. Straight. Stop. Acute. Right. Obtuse. Straight. Okay, there we go. And that is our cheer for memorizing our angles. Now, we know that whenever we draw a geometric shape, we need to use what? A straight edge or ruler. So we're going to draw an acute angle, and I want some of these to be open. I mean, you could even draw it like this. Like, it could be looking kind of like a V. And we don't have to, it doesn't have to be an exact measurement. It just needs to be less than what? 90. Okay, and so because they're rays, they have to have arrows on each end. Because it's an angle, we have to name it with 3 points. So we'll name this one A, B, C. Okay? Now, our next angle that we're supposed to draw is A. right angle. And so right angles open up exactly to 90 degrees. You can make it go either direction. And what do we put in the corner to make sure that our teacher knows that we know it should be 90 degrees?
My pencil broke.
Okay. Yes, Alec. A little box that shows that it's square or 90 degrees. And then let's just go ahead and label it with 3 points. D, E, F. Okay, and then an obtuse angle, we'll open this one to the left. It needs to open up larger than 90 degrees. And you need to make sure that I can tell you're putting a point where your line is, where your letter is.
So this one need a pulse?
Okay, and then finally we have measuring exactly 180 degrees, and I would just recommend drawing a straight line, putting arrows on both ends, and then putting your point here in the middle, and that, it looks like a line, but it's also a straight angle. What matters is how you name it. So we could call that line JK, or line JL, or line LK, or we could call it angle JKL. And if we call it angle JKL, we are saying that's a straight angle. So the important piece here is how we're naming it. Alec.
If this is 180, wouldn't 360 be one?
Yes, and it is. What is 360? What has 360 degree angle?
All the way around.
A circle. And that's what we're actually going to talk about tomorrow. You're just a little ahead of me. But yeah, tomorrow we're going to show how many angles there are in a circle. How many degrees in a circle. Yes, Mason?
Will we be getting this tomorrow? Like the, not the, like the circles, like the half circles, and like the full circles. Like, hold on, full name.
Tomorrow, if what you're talking about is this, we should be talking about this tomorrow or the next day. Like how many degrees are in a circle.
Kind of.
Okay?
I mean like this. And the.
Oh, so well, I think what Mason is asking is a lot of times on an angle they do that to show the opening, and then you could put the degrees there. Okay, I think that's what you're asking, to show the, it's an arc to show the angle.
But then why would it be on the outside on some?
I'm not sure. Okay, now I'm going to pass out how to measure an angle using a protractor, and we're going to talk about that and practice all